Follow and subscribe Stenolab India for correct pronunciation, accurate speed and clear voice. Pitman Shorthand Instructor Book Dictation. Exercise number 49. Get ready for the dictation. Start. From what I know of Cedric Spring. He has no claims to supreme cleverness. It would be safer to describe him as a spruce young fellow with a very strong belief in himself. He is possibly a bit masterful in his manner, but he is the more likely to succeed because of his liking for work. Nor do I think he is in any extreme sense a pleasure seeker. Far from it. I am sure there is no more honorable fellow in the city, and it will surprise me if he fails to make a name for himself as he lives near me. I travel with him several days a week, and I must say he has a plausible tongue which should assist him in his business. Stop.